and I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways.
Let me show you guys the new truck. I don't think I even talked about this at all, but let me go ahead and give you guys a glimpse of the new truck that we got here. Don't forget to go check out my man Brian at Executive Electronics. So we're going to get a tour of his shop, see what projects he's working on, get all his contact information for anybody that's in Columbus, surrounding areas in Ohio, period. He's worth the travel, he's worth the investment. Go see Brian over at Executive Electronics.
Today we're going to get our sound system installed, doing two 12-inch subwoofers, Memphis, like 1,000-watt amp. Get the honeycomb smoked lights, tail lights put in, and getting the LED lights put in on the front headlights because they use halogen for these classics from the factory. Let me show you guys the interior first, right? We get a look. There might be a little background noise with those vacuums going. Hopefully that's not going to be a terrible distraction. Bass knob is down there. So this here is the setup, the Memphis. Two 12-inch Memphis in individual boxes. As you can see, those lift up, they move and come out. Customized individual boxes, specifically fit for this 2019 Dodge Ram Classic. I usually ride with my truck this way, and then if I have somebody in the back, I'll close it down. So as you can see, the seats fit flush. There's no issues with the seats. In the back there, you see the Memphis. That little silver bar is actually the light bar that tells me when that amp is on. It glows red and blue and all kind of other colors. Plenty of power. I don't have any additional power commanders, batteries, anything like that to go along with this system. Nothing more to really see in there. We did get the tail lights done and the bed, as you can see. So the bed light has been honeycombed, and then the tail lights also have honeycomb in them. So you can kind of see that there. The headlights, and what he did with the headlights was he raised them an inch, and he installed HIDs instead of LEDs. If you haven't already, go check out Jake at Turn 13 Motorsports. Jake is the one that did the tuning on my bike. He did some internal work, put it on the dyno, stuff like that. So if you're in Ohio looking for somebody that does that kind of work, race bike exhaust installation, all that kind of stuff, he's the guy you want to go see. And I will make sure that you check out his video. It's on YouTube. Go check it out, man. Go check out what Jake does. Check out his contact information. Check out his shop right there on my channel. I appreciate y'all checking out today's video, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.